Well, welcome, sailors. Spring has sprung, and you know what that means? The birds are chirping, the sun is smiling, and the cocktails, well, the cocktails are getting fun, flirty, and absolutely irresistible. We've got a cocktail today that I think you're going to find to be exactly that. It's light, it is tropical, and it is so irresistible, I bet your garnish even blushes. So if you want to know more about this cocktail, come on over, have a seat at the bar, and join me as we make today's cocktail, the Chick Magnet. Let's get pouring. So before we start pouring, let's introduce you to our ingredients. We're going to start with a whipped vodka, and today we're using Pinnacle. We're going to use some freshly pressed lemon juice, and that's going to brighten it up. We're using pineapple juice, and that's going to make it nice and sweet, and give it some body to it, and then of course just a little bit of simple syrup to make it a little bit sweeter. We're going to start first off with that simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water, and we're going to use a half of an ounce. One of the flavors in here is pineapple, and that's a big bold flavor. We're going to use 2 ounces. Now what I'm going to suggest to you is stick around to the end of the video, and I've got a couple of different variations of this cocktail I think you might enjoy. We're going to follow that up now with some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and for that I'm going to use about 3/4 of an ounce. Hitting the home stretch. Next is our whipped vodka. For that, we're going to use 2 full ounces. My shaker is filled with everything I need except, you know it, it's the ice. And we're going to give this a good 10-second shake, and it's going to make it nice and cold. Now that we've got it all mixed up, we need to pour it into our glass. And for our glass today, we're going to use a Nick Nora. It's an old-fashioned martini glass, nice tall side so it doesn't spill real easy. I've had it chilling with ice and water in there. Let's get rid of that. And now we are going to pour. Hey, if you stuck around this far and you like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave us a like and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this cocktail. The only thing we need to do right now is to garnish. And for that, we're going to take a maraschino cherry, put it on a skewer with a little pineapple frond, and there we go. Today's cocktail, the Chick Magnet. Let's give this a taste. It's so smooth that that whipped vodka just brings really, really nice notes in there. Full of flavor with the pineapple, bright with the lemon juice on there. Just a touch of sweetness in there. It's not too sweet. This one is a beautiful springtime sipper. Now, if you don't want to take the vodka in there, you can make this a mocktail. To do that, just leave out the vodka and replace it with a little bit, about a half of an ounce of vanilla syrup. And that would be the mocktail of the Chick Magnet. Cheers, everybody. We'll see you at the next cocktail.